How to change language on Twitter. Follow my steps. Open the Twitter app. Click on your profile icon. Scroll down a bit. Click on Settings and Support. Scroll down a bit more. Go to Settings and Privacy. Here you can see a list of options to manage your account. Find Accessibility, Display and Languages. Tap on it. As you can see on the screen, there is Language option. There you can manage which languages you want to use for personalize your Twitter app. Tap on Languages. There are two options to manage: Preferred Languages and Other Languages. The Preferred Languages option is for setting the language of the app, including buttons and other text. Tap on it. Currently, my preferred language is English. I will click on Update Language. Here you can search for other language. For example, let's try to find and set the Hindi language. Click on Displayed Language. Click on Next. There you have it. The app language has changed. If you find this guide helpful, please subscribe.